In this video, I'll show you how to connect HubSpot to Gmail. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. From the dashboard, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, in the left sidebar, click General, then select Email. After that, open the Connected Inboxes tab and click Connect Personal Email. Now choose Google/Gmail as your email provider. Next, sign into the Google account you want to connect and select the Gmail account you'll use with HubSpot. After that, review the requested permissions and click Allow to authorize HubSpot to access your Gmail account. Now wait a few moments while HubSpot completes the connection. Next, return to the Connected Inboxes section and verify that your Gmail account appears as connected. Finally, install the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension if prompted. This allows you to log emails, track opens, schedule meetings, and access HubSpot features directly inside Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect HubSpot to Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.